Hi my dears, today was a shopping day. I just came back home and I'm so happy to share with you what I bought today. I bought a lot of yarns and my dear friends, don't forget to subscribe because really I have a lot of crazy, original, extravagant ideas to show you and to share with you. Now let's see what I have in the bags. Here, take a look. As you see, my table is full of bright, beautiful colors. I have projects with crochet pockets, or I have denim hats, bucket hats with crochet flowers, and I have to start to make more bucket hats with my flowers because I already sold them. And take a look, the beauty is that the flowers has to be bright, colorful, beautiful, and I choose all these wonderful colors. Here the point is not to choose yarns with cotton wool or mohair wool, alpaca wool, something like this. I choose acrylic yarns because of the flowers. For example, take a look, this color, it's an acrylic yarn and it's very, very soft. What else? Take a look here. It's a cotton acrylic blend, salmon color. Also, I want to show you something. It's a baby acrylic. So this is very, very soft yarn like this one. Here I have something like fuchsia. This one, for example, they are not so thin, and I will use my needles, or I don't know the name, but this one. I will crochet. I love to crochet. For example, this hooks, yes, not needles. It's 4.5 millimeters. I don't know in inches, but it's a big hook. This one is a little bit, not a little bit, it's smaller. It's a tulip brand made in Japan. For me it doesn't matter. I prefer to use bigger hook because when you crochet flowers, for example, they are more puffy and not so hard when you touch them. And because the yarns are very soft, I'm sure I can make something original. And you can make a lot of combinations. Take a look, girls. For example, you can make some nuances. This turquoise it's a blue turquoise. I don't know about you, but for me this is blue turquoise, this is green turquoise. And if you make some combinations, for example with this one, or some, this is very bright green, neon green, I think it will be very interesting. Or something like this with this neon pink color, for example, with some yellow color. You can make everything you want, and I think it will be interesting. If you want, I can make a special video how I crochet my flowers or other elements. Just make a comment and let me know. It will be my pleasure to explain you how I do it my way. As you see, my dears, how little I need to be happy, and really it's a very colorful day for me today. Hope you like my video. Again, don't forget to subscribe and wait for the new projects. I'm so impatient to do something with these yarns. Have a wonderful day. Be happy. Bye. I will see you soon. Till the next project. Bye.